times, guys, good times.
Never done this?
Have I done it? No, not after what happened.
That's how I sit here.
Alright guys, here we go. 300 feet, 90 miles an hour in 3 seconds.
Alright.
Heads back guys, just relax.
This is gangster.
Okay guys, hands up. Come on, let's get those hands in the air. Hands up!
Dude, this fucking badass. Oh, my nuts. No, that's my first nuts. Pretty good view. Shit if it fell. Oh, that'd be crazy. You got duct tape holding that shit together. Got what? Duct tape holding those fucking cables together.
Hey, welcome back. You like it?
Yeah.
You know guys, if you want to go again, it's only $10 each, like I said. Would you like a second ride?
You want to do it, Jackson?
Dad, your chubby cheeks are falling down.
Thanks, Aiden. No! Jackson! You want it? Jackson, you want to do it?
Dad,
You want to do it with me?
Dad,
You want to do it, Jackson? It's fun. Come on. Let's do it. Come on, Noel. You don't want to do it, Jackson? I like it. Come on. Come on, dude.
Well, you've got plenty of time to talk into it, guys. Not a problem. It's not that scary, is it? Now, guys, if you come around this way, I'll show you.